Hey guys, my name is Govind Chandak and I'm the business head of NHDM India. Today we are going to talk about what is data science. I post nearly 2x growth videos every week, so if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Data science is a combination of hacking skills, maths and statistics, and substantive expertise. Okay, I understand that you have understood nothing. So let me just navigate you through the journey of data science in a very simpler way by using a case study. Now, to understand the case study, I'll give you a small background about what is data science in a very small picture. So, for example, data science helps you with right set of data and which assists you in decision making. So, for example, if someone asks me what is the scope in data science, so let's say one person says that it has got a huge scope, go ahead and join in. And let's say if I as a career coach answer, I will always say that it has got an amazing scope. You should definitely go ahead and make your career in data science. Do you know why? Because according to Glassdoor, data science has got an average base pay of rupees 10 lakhs per annum as a salary. Also, there are more than 10,000 entry-level jobs across the job portals in India. Now, in the second case, I sound more convincing. Do you know why? It's only because my answer was backed up by data. So let's take one case study that during the COVID-19 situation, we are all facing an issue of dip in sales in our businesses. So I'll take up this problem statement that how to grow from the dip in the sales during the COVID-19 situation. And I'll parallelly also help you to understand what is data science in the 6-step process below. Let me just directly take you to my laptop screen to help you understand further. Stay tuned and watch this video till end if you want to understand the end. Okay, so guys, now let's understand the data science in the 6-step process. Now, the process involves problem understanding, data mining, data clearing, data exploration and featured engineering, predictive modeling, and data visualization. Now, the first thing is problem understanding. We have just discussed. My problem is amount of dip in the sales due to this COVID-19 situation. So I have identified the problem. The next step is data mining. What is data mining? In case of data mining, I need to identify right set of data, or I need to check my historical data or third-party data, or I need to do web scraping with the help of programming languages. Now, remember guys, the main agenda over here is to identify the dip in sales. So when you mine the data, there is a lot of irrelevant data which comes into picture. So you need to first clear that, which is the third stage, data clearing. Generally, people don't tell you about this, but this is really important to pre-process your data and to kick out the irrelevant data out of the picture. Now, once it is done, the fourth step comes into picture, which is data explanation and featured engineering. In this stage, once the post-processing of the data is done, we take help from mathematics and statistical tools to make more meaningful visualization of this database. Now, let's say after looking at the picture, we have got 3 cohorts of the audience. The first audience in our database is a value-based audience, which are basically the bargain shoppers that they will buy any time of the year. Let's say if you're giving them 80% discount for a winter jacket, they will even buy it the month of summer. The second is the standard audience. The standard audience is basically your wider set of the audience. And the last one is the premium audience. Now, the premium audience is the audience where you have sweetened your deal by giving some extra perks or services. Now, after you have decided your cohorts from your data in 3 segments, which is value-based, standard-based, and premium-based, the next is predictive modeling. Here, machine learning comes into picture, where you train machine learning models to evaluate performance and make predictions. Now, machine learning can easily help you to identify from which of the above audience segments where you can cross-sell, upsell, or improve the lifetime value. The last stage is data visualization, where we make visually compelling dashboards and pass these dashboards to the relevant stakeholders. Now, the stakeholders identify the data, look at the graphical formats, and get a targeted set of audience to improve the dip in sales. Also, the above findings help them to take data-driven decisions. So guys, this is how data science has helped us to solve the problem of dip in sales in the most logical, scientific, and a very confident way. So guys, I hope that this small case study has helped you to understand in a very simpler way about what is data science. Data science has a range of real-time applications ranging from finance to travel to agricultural industry and so on and so forth. Please pass on this video to your friends and family who needs to understand the meaning of data science. The next video will be about who can be a data scientist and how can you identify that you can learn data science or not. Please stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.